is the elephant.
Splash, 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 splash.
Oh, this one is a fish. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel with a new interesting video. Friends, you can see here many color combination and different animal really added. All are nice and beautiful. So now I collect all of these animal in this red bucket here. So first one is here, a blue color animal. I collect this animal at my red bucket here. Next one is a yellow color animal. Here is a big size green color animal. Here is also a big size pink color animal. Next one is orange color. Here is a blue color.
Amazing!
This pink color. Next one is a green color. This one is a big size yellow color. Orange color, and this is the last one is here also a pink color animal. So friends, all of this animal collect in this bucket here, and now I will go for cleaning. So guys, here is my cleaning water, and here is my all of animals. That is the first one I cleaning. Ha ha ha. Oh ho ho! This one is a horse.
Amazing! Takes us all to school, and then Grandma and her tools to the market to sell milk, cheese, and fresh butter.
I collecting this horse that side also, and here is the another one. Hey, this one is a cow.
Amazing!
This cow also here. That is the another one. Oh, this one is a rooster. Collecting this rooster here also, and that is the next one. Oh, this one is the elephant.
Amazing! Splash, 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 splash.
Collecting this elephant here. And that is the another one. Oh, this one is a fish. I'm collecting this fish here also. And that is the another one. Oh, this one is a scorpion.
Bunch of crazy scorpions. Anyway, as you may or may not have noticed, during the day we hide under stones or rocks.
I'm collecting this scorpion here also, and that is the another one. This one is a lizard. Hey, hey, hey. And here is the another one. Ah. Oh, this one is a Superman. Collecting the Superman here.
There is the another one. Oh, this one is a Pikachu. Collecting this Pikachu here. There is the another. Oh, this one is a bee.
Amazing! Hurry up. What were you doing?
We were tasting some honey.
Come forward.
Hello, Madam the Queen.
Collecting outside. Hey. And that is the another. Hey. This one is a dragon. Collecting. So here is all of animals and toys are so nice and beautiful. So see you soon with next time with many colorful of animals.